Hey guys, good morning. Over the last couple days, I've been building a workbench, a mobile workbench. Turned out real well. Got the plans from Steve Ramsey's woodworking course. Sign up for it if you want. He's getting ready to start another one on September 5th. But he's got a YouTube channel, Woodworking for Mere Mortals. It's an awesome channel. And the first project was the workbench. It is awesome. Very easy to build. The materials list was great. There was very little scraps left over. And I'm going to add a little tray on the side underneath the top to hold screws. So let's go do that right now. And here is the bench that I built. And we're going to be adding the little drawers right on the bottom part right there. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, you can see these I've got along my shop wall. Picked them up at work when they were changing out a display. And they come in 5 sections, 5 drawers. But that will not fit on the bottom of my basic mobile workbench. I'm going to stick it right down in here. So I'm going to have to cut it. And I'm going to cut it right here. Should be able to do that with my Rockwell Sonic Crafter. I'm going to cut that and then we're going to mount it underneath. These would be nice little drawers to hold screws. We'll see how it works. And I think this should work with my Sonic Crafter oscillating tool. You can see the blade's pretty chewed up, but I think it should go through this plastic just fine. Went through pretty good. I'll come back after I cut it off. We'll do all 3 sides all the way around. That Sonic Crafter worked perfect. This will be trash. And I used it to the blade just to shave that off. I'll hit it with a little bit of sandpaper. Then we'll mount it. Can't think of a better thing to have as the first project on your new workbench is how to add little features to the bench. Just going to use Craig screws. Got that little built-in washer in them, which is great. And that is not going anywhere. Now we'll put the drawers in. I think I could put another one right underneath it. And here they are, kind of concealed underneath. And not wanting to have to look inside to see what's in there, I put some Craig screws across the top, my coarse, fine, and big ones. So all I'm going to do is hot glue one on the outside. And there we go. Just a quick little visual, and I know what's in the drawer. Hey, I'd love to see what anybody else has done on their workbench that Steve designed. If you guys could share pictures, that'd be awesome. Maybe we could each use each other's ideas. See you guys later.